trip again out here in beautiful North Carolina. I'm out here on Duke. I haven't made too many videos about him and at least not very many updates on Duke, but I'm very excited to announce that I am now riding him in 1/2-inch hackamore. So I started him in the 5/8, rode him for a while in the 5/8, and then I dropped him down to the 1/2-inch hackamore. This is his 20th ride, right around his 20th ride. And I'm also proud to say, or happy to say, that I'm riding him in my wider saddle. I used to ride him in a narrow saddle, so that tells me that he's starting to fill out a little bit more, because Lord knows I don't really need him to get any taller, but he needs to get a little bit wider, so I'm very happy about that. So, some things that I look for when I start thinking about dropping a horse down to a smaller hackamore size or bozal size is, the first thing is, can I ask my horse to tuck his nose like that? So do my reins actually mean something? When I take up the reins, does he feel that and does he respond to that? That's one thing that I look for, is the vertical flexion. The next thing I look for is, can I pick up my left rein and he brings that nose over like that? Can I pick up that right rein and does he bring that nose over like that? And one thing that I'm looking for when I do that is, does his nose lead? So if this was his pole, does his nose lead when he brings his head around, or does he keep his head pretty much on the vertical plane, tip his nose in, and swing his head around? And that's kind of what I'm looking for. He's kind of eating my tap there. Young horse is very curious. Slide my hand down that rein, he tips at that nose just like that. That's what I'm looking for when I'm thinking about bringing him back down to the 1/2-inch. Next thing that I look for, and there's lots of things that I look for, but other things that I look for, as we're riding around, can I pick up that right rein and just ask him to follow that rein? Right, right. Can I walk him on? As I'm walking, can I ask him to give that nose a little bit? Can he go around carrying a little bit of fill like that? Can I stop? Can I back him up? Real nice and light. Those are the things that I'm looking for. How light is my rein to foot connection? Pick up that left rein, left front, left front, left front. Oops, rock your weight back, buddy. Left front. Good job. So, rein to foot connection. Some other things that I'm constantly looking for and always refining is, can I pick up, say, that right rein, slide my right leg back, and will he give me his hips? So as I'm riding along, can I pick up that left rein, left leg back? Wait for him to make the change. Good boy. Can I start to bring in some lateral work? So if I ask him to get soft up front, can I open up that right door and can I start to get some lateral moves? Walk forward. Can I open up that left door? Right door is shut. Will he give me some lateral work to the left? That'll boy. Those are some things that I'm looking for. At the trot, can I trot him out? Can I ask him to frame up in the trot? Can I ask him to maybe start thinking about framing up in the canter? Some things I'm looking for at the trot is, first, of course, will he maintain gait? When I close my fingers on my reins, will he give me his pull? Will he give me that nose? Give me your nose. There he goes. Hold there. Now there's times where I'm going to have to bump him a little bit to get him off of my hands, but that's just part of training. So will he go around? Yeah, soft and smooth. Some cadence and rhythm with a little bit of flexion. Good stop. Back up. Stopping, backing up. Like I said, my seat goes back, my seat goes down. Ask him to come back. So the flexions, the stopping, the forward, the rein to foot connections, vertical fill or vertical flexion, that's all stuff that I'm looking for before I drop them back down into a 1/2-inch hackamore. I did ride them out checking on pairs on a 600-acre pasture the other week, and he did, it was a little bit goosey in the morning, but it was a chilly morning, but he did very well riding out. So I don't need that bigger hackamore anymore, so I've dropped him back down to the 1/2 inch. Very excited about that. Got him in my wider saddle. Excited about that. He's starting to put on some muscle. So those are some things that I'm looking for before I start dropping him down into a smaller hackamore. And when he's standing up tight, he's already packing the bit. He's already standing, holding the bit. I haven't ridden him with him packing it yet, but that will come very shortly. So that's just an update on old Duke. Very excited about this guy. Looking forward to sharing some more videos with you. Thanks for watching. Take care.